Cutting metal can be difficult, labor-intensive, and often downright dangerous. Introducing the Cannibal, the powerful and versatile professional nibbler with a patented cutting action designed to make countless cutting jobs easier, faster, and safer. Fitting effortlessly into any standard drill, sheet metal, corrugated material, pipes, complex profiles, the Cannibal is so versatile, it can handle it all with ease. The Cannibal, a nibbler made in the spirit of days gone by, when things were made to last.
Planting flower beds is easier when you're using a power drill to dig the holes. MaxBit fits onto your drill and creates a perfectly round, flat-bottomed hole each time, without creating a pile of dirt for you to deal with when you're done. This makes the planting process much faster and neater. The curved angles of the bit compress dirt into the bottom and to the sides of the hole. Each hole is designed to be just the right size for planting small annuals and perennials. The MaxBit and its extension work with most standard drills and can dig in tilled and untilled soil. It's made in West Point, Mississippi with tough American steel that's powder coated to prevent rust. Maker and gardener Michelle Morton was helping folks in her community tend their gardens when she was inspired to create a way to make planting quicker and easier for anyone.
The new and amazing Weed Spinner, your ultimate lawn and garden weed eliminator. Weed Spinner gets rid of those weeds and all their roots. If you hate those weeds, if you've tried poisons that don't work and only get into your lawn and your water supplies, if you've tried whacking them with strings only to see them grow back the next day, you need to get Weed Spinner now. Your American designed and made Weed Spinner attaches to any standard hand drill. The patent-pending blades instantly go down deep, grab the weeds by their roots and rip them out once and for all. And there's no damage to your lawn. That's because Weed Spinner grabs only the weeds and their roots. Weed Spinner works on thistles, oxalis, horseweed, cockleburr, grass, burdock, yes, even dandelions. Homeowners and professional landscapers agree that Weed Spinner really works.
What I like about the Weed Spinner is that it's easy to use, it's a lot of fun, and it's very efficient. And another thing is I don't even have to bend down to pick up the weeds with the Weed Spinner.
I love the Weed Spinner because of its ease of use, no poisons, professional job at home, and it really works.
Weed Spinner really works, no more weeds.
This Weed Spinner really works. It's a lot of fun.
I love the Weed Spinner because John is doing the weeds.
The scientifically researched and designed Weed Spinner works on any surface, sod, bare ground, gravel, near driveways and curbs, rocks and concrete. Now your lawn has that professionally manicured look and feel. Beautiful. Before Weed Spinner, lawns were often eyesores. With Weed Spinner, you're the envy of the neighborhood. Weed Spinner is perfect for stirring paint and mixing cement too. For less than you'd pay for a single jug of weed poison, or a tiny, tiny fraction of what you would have to pay a professional lawn servicer to only temporarily remove the number of weeds in your lawn, you'll get the amazing Weed Spinner. Get your own Weed Spinner today.